the sand beneath our feet, all too much.
Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to grow grapes from cuttings. Take cuttings from the previous year growth. Ensure the cuttings are at least the diameter of a pencil. Grape cuttings can be planted in late fall or in early winters when the plant is in dormancy period. So I have taken some grape cuttings from the mother plant. Let us prepare them. Make sure your cutting is at least 3 nodes long. The nodes will look like bumps. So this is a node 1, 2 and 3. So make a cut just above the node, and in the bottom just make a cut just below the node at 45-degree angle like this. This angle cut leaves a larger surface area to absorb water properly. You can just remove the leaves. So this cutting is ready. Prepare your all cuttings in the same manner. For the potting mix, take 50% normal garden soil, 30% organic compost and 20% fine sand. Mix it well. Take a well-drained pot with drainage hole at the bottom. Cover the drainage hole with a small stone and fill it with the potting mix. Take the cuttings and scratch a little from the bottom. Take the cuttings and dip it in the rooting hormone. Rooting hormone helps to stimulate root growth in cuttings. It increases the success rate when you propagate plants using cuttings. If rooting hormone is not available, you can use honey or cinnamon powder. Make a hole in the potting mix and gently place the cutting in the hole. Make sure you plant the cutting 4 to 5 inch deep in the potting mix and gently tap the soil around the stem to provide support. Plant all cuttings in the same manner. Plant as many cuttings as possible to have a higher chance of success. Surplus cutting can be given away. You can directly plant cuttings in ground. For that, choose an area that offers up plenty of drainage and sunlight. Or you can start them in pots like this and later transfer them to their desired location. Water in thoroughly. Keep the pot in a bright location where it can get filtered sunlight. So after 22 to 25 days, your cuttings will look like this. These are the new growth. So this is my another cutting. You can see the new growth. So let me show you the roots on this cutting. You can see the white healthy roots. This is the cut part. At this time you can plant this cutting into the ground, or you can use big pots for planting them. That's all for now guys. Urban Gardener signing off. Take care. Happy gardening.
Touch to touch the sand beneath our feet, all too